Hey friends, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making a dessert that's smooth, creamy, and has that little coffee kick we all secretly need. Coffee tiramisu. No oven, no stress, just layers of happiness in a cup. Let's kick things off by prepping the gelatin. Sprinkle it over some cold water and let it bloom. That's just a fancy word for sit there and get puffy. Next, let's brew some instant coffee. Alright, time for the cream filling, the real star of tiramisu. In a mixing bowl, scoop in your mascarpone. Add heavy cream, then dust in some powdered sugar. Whip it up until it's thick, fluffy, and looks like it belongs on a bakery poster. Meanwhile, our gelatin is ready for action. Heat some water, switch off the stove, and place the gelatin bowl on top so it melts gently. No rushing, no boiling, just a smooth melt. Pour that into the cream and fold it in. And now, the flavor booster, coffee. Mix it in with a spatula until the cream turns into this silky, coffee-kissed dream. Time to assemble. Grab your serving cups and place a cookie at the bottom. Pour in half of that creamy mixture. Add another cookie on top like a little surprise layer. Cover it with the rest of the cream. Smooth it out and shower it with cocoa powder. Quick pause. Let me ask you, what's your favorite pick-me-up dessert? Tiramisu, chocolate mousse, or maybe good old cheesecake? Drop it in the comments. I love seeing your ideas, and who knows, one of them might end up in the next video. Okay, back to business. Pop the tiramisu cups into the fridge and let them chill for 5 to 6 hours. That's when the magic happens. And when you finally take a spoonful, oh man, creamy, rich coffee heaven. It's like your favorite cafe decided to live in your fridge. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a sweet little pick-me-up. See you next time, friends.